Well, good morning, my VIPers. How are you today? I'm so excited. The sun is shining. It's almost warming up. It just feels like spring. It looks like spring. I hope it is as well where you are. We've got a little green popping out of the mulch. It's just so awesome. It feels so good for the soul, doesn't it? Although summer is my favorite season, I love spring because it means winter is leaving. I am not a fan of winter at all. So spring is just joyful. I love spring. Yay. So I want you to give me a wave. Tell me hi. Tell me what season is your favorite season. Get the comments going so that I know you're here and that you're watching. And if you're watching on replay, say replay so I know where you are in the timeline. So spring means letting open the windows and letting that breeze in, which I love. But in order to do that, we need to clean, don't we? Because winter has left behind its film and its filth. So I wanted to show you a few of my tips and tricks to make cleaning your windows easy. Yes. Of course you can use your window cloth. I didn't even grab a window cloth. Oh my goodness, yes. Well, you know you can use your EnviroCloth and window cloth the old standby way. But I have a big door. It has two doors actually and the transom above. So obviously, I'm height challenged. That's not gonna work for me, right? So what I have to show you are a couple of things. The first is our mini mop. So the mini mop comes with your base. Both mops come with the same handle. It comes with the smaller base and it will come with a wet mop pad and a dry mop pad. But I also have the window mop pad. And this is my secret sauce for cleaning windows and doors. But there are some other things to know. First of all, if you already have a large mop and you don't need the whole mop thing, handle and all of that, we have the handheld cleaning system, which includes the handle that's the same as this mini mop, and it comes with the window mop pad, and it comes with a handle that's the same as similar to the one that comes on the EnviroCloth. The EnviroWand. Now this has been upgraded and it's now a beautiful blue, and the handle has a little end attachment that you can take out to clean like little around the edges of your phone and iPad and such, and in your car. But let me show you this. So do you have one of these? Did you know that you can take this and put it on here, and voila, you have a handheld cleaning system. So you can take your wet mop pad and stick it on here. And you can take your window cloth pad and stick it on here. Or, of course, you can just use your large mop. So first, your mop handle. So here's what I'm gonna do. First, because I can reach here, I'm gonna take my wet mop pad and I'm gonna get it wet. I have a little water over here on the side. Just want to get it a little wet, and I'm just going to stick this on here because it's good and Velcro-y. We're just going to clean. Look how quick and easy this is. Oh my gosh. so fast. Gonna get in the corners, easy peasy. Look how fast and easy that is. Now, the window cloth pad magic. Because oops, that fell. So you know this is like an environment cloth and window cloth in action. They're just in the mop pad shape. So we can go here and we can dry our windows. And they will get all streak free. And I have not done this like ever. This is my first time doing these doors. So we're gonna get them all dry, just like that, super quick and easy. Yay! All right, well now this is nice and damp. I can just open the door and do the other side. Yes, because it's damp enough. And look, I can reach it all, and it gives me the ability to put some pressure behind it where the cloth sometimes doesn't give that much pressure to get it good and clean. And there were some spots I know I've already gotten up. Yay, and just like that. And look, it's shiny and clean. You may not be able to tell, but I can tell. I can see what was missing. Now, so that's your windows. Now, let me first do this. Look, do you have screens? So, as winter is going along, as you know, construction and the wind blowing and all of that, your screens are collecting dust and dirt and pollen and all of that. And it's really surprising how dirty they can get, especially if you live somewhere where there's construction, road construction, house construction, whatever. So my trick for you is to take your dust mitt. Oh, this one's dirty, but that's okay. And get it a little damp. I just get it a little damp, oh, maybe a little, and we can just wipe. And the dampness will grab hold of all the pollens and dirts and stuff. And then it's not blowing in your house. And look how dirty it was. And just like that. And I can go and do the other side. But that's going to get your screens clean so that stuff that's sitting in there isn't going to be blowing in when you have your windows and doors open. Now, one more thing. Let's check out this thing that I cannot reach. So we need to be able to reach it, and I can't with my handheld. So I'm going to take the mop base. I'm going to attach it. Whoop. There we go. And I'm going to do it wet first because I bet they are super dirty. And up. I can almost, well, it's all the way down, and look, I can reach perfectly. But if it's something where even taller, if you have like 2-story windows, just whoop, adjust it. Remember, when you're mopping, you adjust to your nose. And then you can reach and clean just like that. And then take your well, semi-dry because we've already used it, but that's okay. Your window cloth pad, and go back and dry. And just like that, you've got them all clean. And you're not climbing ladders. You're not having to use such hard muscles because you're doing this. You're letting this be the muscle for you. And so it's making it easier on you. And oh, they feel so fabulous to have the air blowing in. Just is so good for the spirits, isn't it? All right, you guys, and just like that, I got this whole door, the screen, the top transom, all clean. And I shared it with you. How awesome. Now I can say, hey, I got some cleaning done today. And I did it all with this little mop pad and base. And look at all the different ways you can use these. Your products are interchangeable, which makes them multi-purpose. And I love that about basically any product, not just Norwex, but anything that I can use in more than one way makes it that much more valuable to me. So I hope that you got some great ideas this morning, and feel free to comment and share, and definitely tell me what your favorite season is. How many of you out there are like me and are summer fans and cannot wait? And if you're a winter fan, that's okay. I still love you. I don't understand you, but I love you. Anyway, have a great Thursday, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.